How high will Dymension go in the 2024 bull market? Dymension is a very new crypto project which is very bullish right now. I will share my price prediction for 2024 with long and short-term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Dymension to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. So Dymension is a very new crypto coin which is already on place 62 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1 billion, and that's very much for a new coin like Dymension. And if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that the coin started with a very high market cap and that the market cap increased in one day about double the size. So we moved from 500 million to $1 billion. And the reason why Dymension was increasing that much is because of a large airdrop, but we just have 14.6% circulating supply, which is not a good sign. So the chance that we will see much more supply in the next time is very high. If we have a look at the website, it says the home of the roll apps. So it's definitely an interesting website, but it doesn't say anything about the most important things. But if we have a look at the technicals, you can see that we are in a bullish trend. Of course, we can just do the TA in the first day, so it's not that big of a deal. But right now the price is increasing. And if you don't know where to trade Dymension, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies and you can trade and future trade DYM right here. And if you use the link in the description to buy some coins, you also get up to $5,150 bonus. So I'm definitely very careful right now for the long term, because we already have a market cap of $1 billion in this market, and much of the pump just came from an airdrop. And often when airdrops are happening, the coins are locked, and the chance if the coins are unlocked for the users who have the airdrop, then the chance is high that much people will sell and that we then see much lower prices. Of course, we are in bullish trend, so the chance is high that we could see much higher prices, but I would definitely be very careful right here and don't put too much money in a long-term position. Because again, we just have a circulating supply of 14% and the chance is high that this project can just dump to the downside. But if you now want to buy some DYM, I would look for this lower prices. If we come back into this demand area right here, the chance is high if we come back that we then can continue the bullish trend from this zone, because this demand zone was the start of this bullish push we saw on higher high. So if we're seeing a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great technical area to buy some DYM for the long term and for the short term. And of course, this project could have a lot of potential to the upside. But in the crypto space, it's also really important to have a strict risk management and don't invest into every coin. You just have to invest in the best coins. So in this case, I would be very careful. But if I will enter a trade on Dymension, I will share it in my Telegram group. So if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Dymension, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, Dymension is a very new coin that exploded to the upside. But as I said, I would be really careful right now. Of course, it's your choice and you can invest if you want. But if we now have this big market cap and a lot of market cap comes from the airdrop, as I said, the chance is high that we could see lower prices again and that the price is decreasing a lot. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.